In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a payment on Deferit, fast and easy. If you made a payment by mistake or need to stop an upcoming charge, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to tap and what to expect. Start by opening the Deferit app on your phone or head to the website in a browser. Log in and make sure you have a stable connection so the status you see is up to date. From the home screen, head to the area where your bills and installments live. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Payments or Bills. Find the specific bill or installment you want to reverse, then open its details. This puts everything you need on one page. Before you try to change anything, look at the payment status. If it shows scheduled or pending for a future date, you can usually stop it directly. If it says processing or paid, the funds have started moving or already settled, and you'll need help from support. Knowing this upfront saves time and sets the right expectation. If the status allows changes, choose Manage or Edit Payment. Here you can cancel the upcoming debit, move the date, or reduce an amount if Deferit offers that option for your plan. Follow the prompts and confirm the change. Give the page a quick refresh and check that the new status reflects what you chose. Keep in mind there can be cutoff times on the day of debit and limits on how often you can edit a schedule. If the payment has already processed, reach out to Deferit support from within the app or via the help section on the website. Provide the bill name, the amount, and the scheduled date so they can locate it quickly, and explain that you're requesting a reversal. Policies vary by biller and by stage of processing, so the outcome may be a refund, a credit back to your Deferit account, or guidance on next steps. Processing times back to your bank can take a few business days after you've made the change or contacted support. Wait for confirmation. Keep notifications on and watch your email for an update. Check the payments or bills screen later to ensure the status shows canceled, reversed, or rescheduled. If you don't see an update after the timeframe support gave you, reply to the same conversation so your case stays linked. That's it. Follow these steps the moment you notice the issue, and you'll give yourself the best chance of a fast, clean reversal.